If you've booked an activity and now you're wondering whether you can get your money back, don't worry, this guide will help you understand everything in a simple way. Today, I'll explain how refunds work on Klook so you know exactly what to expect and what to do. First, the most important thing to understand is that not all bookings on Klook are refundable. Each activity has its own cancellation policy, and this decides whether you can get a refund or not. When you open any activity on Klook, you'll find a section called Cancellation Policy. Some activities offer free cancellation, which means you can cancel within a certain time period like 24, 48, or 72 hours before the activity and get a full refund. This is the safest type of booking, especially if your plans are not fully confirmed. However, some activities are marked as non-refundable. This means once you book and pay, you won't get your money back if you cancel. In other cases, you may get a partial refund if you cancel late, but a cancellation fee will be deducted. So it's very important to always read the details carefully before making a booking. Now let's talk about how to actually request a refund. First, open the Klook app or website and go to your account. Then click on the My Bookings section where all your reservations are stored. Select the booking you want to cancel, and if it is eligible, you'll see an option that says Cancel or Apply for a Refund. Tap on it and follow the instructions on the screen. After submitting your request, Klook will review it based on the cancellation policy of that activity. If your refund is approved, the money will be sent back to your original payment method. The time it takes to receive the refund can vary. Usually it takes a few days, but sometimes it may take up to 1 or 2 weeks depending on your bank or payment method. There are also special situations where you can request a refund even if the booking is normally non-refundable. For example, if your flight gets cancelled, you have a medical emergency, or there is bad weather or a natural disaster, you can contact Klook support and provide proof. They may review your case and help you with a refund. So in simple words, yes, you can get a refund from Klook, but it completely depends on the activity's cancellation policy. Always check the refund rules before booking, cancel within the allowed time, and follow the proper steps in the app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and useful guides. See you in the next video.